Hello students, today we start a new example. Example number 12. In this example, we calculate the 10 mm thick cement plaster of a cement mortar. Ratio is given 1:4. Now here, for a calculation 10 mm thick plaster, so for a 100 meter square, here for a plaster work we calculate 100 meter square. So area of plaster 100 meter square and thickness is 12 mm is given here. So here not a 10 mm, 12 mm, thickness is a 12 mm is given, and volume of the weight mortar is equal to 100 meter square multiplied by 12 mm. 12 mm is converted to meter, so 100 multiplied by 0.012 means 1.2 meter cube quantity of the weight mortar to complete the 100 meter square plaster work. And for an uneven surface of the masonry and for filling the joints, 30% more mortar is required. So quantity of the weight mortar, so 1.2 meter cube for 100 meter square. So for 30% we add extra. So here 1.30 multiplied by 1.2. So here we got the answer 1.56 is a quantity of the weight mortar. Now again, volume of the dry mortar required is about 25% of the more than the weight mortar. So here 1.56 multiplied by 1.25. So we got the answer 1.95 meter cube quantity of the mortar for a 100 meter square plaster work. So overall round figure we take a 2 meter cube quantity, and here mortar proportion is given 1:4. So here mortar proportion is a 1:4 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now first we find out the cement quantity. So cement quantity is one part of the cement divided by 5. 5 is a summation of this value, and multiply by 2, because here we calculate quantity of the mortar is a 2 meter cube quantity for a 100 meter square plaster work. So here 0.40 meter cube cement quantity is required, but here we calculate cement in the form of the bag. So here 0.40 divided by 0.035. So 0.035 is a volume of the one bag cement. So here answer we got a 11.43 bag is a total answer. Now round up figure is a 11.50 bag, means 11.5 bags are required to complete the 100 meter square plaster work. And we find out the cement quantity. So cement quantity is a 0.4 multiplied by 4, or we take 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. So we got the answer 1.6 meter cube. So it's a cement quantity. Now here we put here cement required quantity is 11.5 bags, and rate per cement bag as per the textbook we take a 280 rupees per cement bag, and sand per meter total quantity is required 1.6 meter cube sand required, and per meter cube rate is 800 rupees per meter cube rate, and extra cost as a sunrise we take a 50 rupees as a extra cost. Now here to complete the 12 mm thick plaster work, so here same 10 mm thick plaster work, same mason, male pulley, female pulley, bistri, all these things are required. Same quantity number of labors are required at here. So here one mistri is required, one mason is required, one female male pulley is required, and one female pulley is required, and 0.5 bistri is required. So here same as above. Now here mistri rate per day is 300 rupees. Then after mason rate is 250 rupees. Then after male pulley is 200 rupees, and 180 rupees per day rate is female pulley, and bistri rate is 200 rupees, and we take the extra cost is 50 rupees. So here summation of the all these value, like 300 multiplied by 1 is a 300, 250 multiplied by 1 is a 250, 200 multiplied by 1 is a 200, and 180 multiplied by 1 is a 180, and 200 multiplied by 0.5 is a 100. So here, and 50 rupees extra, so total 300 plus 250 plus 200, 180, 100 and 50. So we got the total answer is 1080 rupees is the total answer of the labor cost. Now here summation of the labor cost, material cost plus labor cost. Here material plus labor cost, we got the answer is 5630 is a summation of the 4550 plus 1080 rupees. Now we add a 1.5% as a water charges. So 5630 multiplied by 1.5% as a water charges. So we got the answer is 84.45 rupees water charges we included in a rate analysis. Then after we add a 10% contractor profit. So here 5630 multiplied by 10% is 563 rupees per 100 meter square contractor profit. So here rate for a 100 meter square is a summation of the all these values, 5630, 84.45 rupees and 563 rupees. So we got the final answer for a 100 meter square is 6277.45 rupees. So here for a rate for a 1 meter square, so here 6277 divided by 100. So we got the answer 62.7745. It's a 1 meter rate, and round up figure we take a 63 rupees per meter square rate for a 1 meter square plaster work of a 12 mm thick plaster work of a cement sand ratio 1:4. Now we take another example number 13. So in this example we take a 15 mm thick cement plaster of a ratio 1:3. So here 1 part of the cement and 3 part of sand. So area for 100 meter square, we calculate area for 100 meter square plaster work, and the thickness is 15 mm. So volume of the weight mortar is 100 multiplied by 15 mm. 15 mm convert into meter, so 0.015. So 1.5 meter cube is a total volume of the weight mortar. And for uneven surface of the masonry and for filling the joints, 30% more mortar is required. So here 1.5 multiplied by 1.30. So we got the answer 1.95 meter cube is the answer of the quantity of the weight mortar. Now again volume of the dry mortar required is about 25% more than the weight mortar. So for the quantity of the mortar is equal to 1.95 multiplied by 1.25. So we got the answer 2.44 meter cube. Now mortar proportion. Mortar proportion in here given 1:3. So here 1:3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So for finding out the cement quantity, 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 2.44 is the quantity of the mortar. So we got the answer 0.61 meter cube. So 0.61 divided by 0.035. So here 0.035 is a 1 bag cement volume. Here we got the answer in the form of the meter cube, but we take a quantity of the cement in the form of the bag. So we divide the 1 bag cement volume. So we got the answer 17.42 bags. Means round up figure is 17.50 bags is required to complete the 100 meter square 15 mm thick plaster work. Now for finding out the sand quantity, so 0.61 means here 0.61 multiplied by here 3 part of the sand, this one. So 3 part of the sand, so we got the 1.83 meter cube sand quantity. Now we both the values of the cement and sand quantity we write here. So here 17.5 bag is required, and 1 bag rate is at 280 rupees, and sand quantity is 1.83 we already calculated, and we take from here, and 800 rupees per meter cube rate of the sand. And in a sunrise, extra 50 rupees we take as a extra rupees. So here total we got the answer 17.5 multiplied by 280, 4900, 1.83 multiplied by 800, 1464 and 50 rupees. Summation of the 4900, 1464 and 50. So all these three values we got the summation 6414, means 6414 rupees as a material cost. Now here labor cost, we take labor, number of labor required, one mistri is required, one mason is required, one male coolie is required, one female coolie is required, and half bistri is required. Now rate per day is 300 rupees as a mistri, then after 250 rupees as a mason, then after male coolie is 200 rupees, female coolie per day rate is 180 rupees, and a bistri rate per day is 200 rupees. So here 1 multiplied by 300 we got answer 300, 250, then after 1 multiplied by 200, 200, 1 multiplied by 180, 180, and 0.5 multiplied by 200, 100 rupees, and extra cost we take 50 rupees. So now summation of the 300, 250, 200, 180, 150. So we got the summation is 1080 rupees as a labor cost. Now summation of the material cost 6414 plus labor cost 1018 rupees. Summation we got the 7494 rupees is a summation of the material cost and labor cost. Now we add water charges because here water is required. So here 1.5% water charges we add. So 7494 multiplied by 1.5%. So here we got the answer 112.41, and we add a 10% contractor profit. So 7494 multiplied by 10% means 749.4 rupees as a contractor profit, and summation of the 7494, 112.41 and 749.4 is a summation is 8355.81 rupees is a final answer for a 100 meter square plaster work. Now rate for finding out the 1 meter square is this value 8355.81 divided by 100. So we got the answer is 83.5581 is a 1 meter square rate for a 15 mm thick plaster work. Now round up figure is 83.55, round up figure is 84 rupees per meter square rate for a 15 mm thick cement plaster of a ratio 1:3.